I just don't get it. What is happening? I mean, I'm trying to make a video. It's not focusing, and the birds out there are chirp. Can't you see? I'm trying to make a video or something. I mean, hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and this time I'm with a very particular chocolate recipe. Now, some of you may say it's a cake, and some of you may say it's a brownie, which it's not, and some of you may say it's a muffin. But irrespective of whatever you say, it's a very delicious chocolate dessert. Now I've been making it for quite a while now, and I've quite grown myself into it. Yeah, so definitely it's a very delicious thing to make. And also I've been saying in the other videos as well that everything is very easy to make. Whatever I post, it's very easy to make, and so is this. So yeah, please do check out the other videos and get to work. And in the meanwhile, let's begin with this video. So this is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys loved it and hope you will definitely try this recipe. I'll be back with a video soon. So till then, stay safe, be happy, make people happy because you should. And yeah, I'll be back, so take care. Until then, bye bye.